Let that chill. And we're gonna strain it over that artesian ice. I'm gonna try to get that as thick. So you can get as much of those, just like probably 3 times filtered for that ice. That's awesome. Got that.
Thank you. Because my husband still wants to be.
But that's I'm here for that. You know what I mean? You love the way they like. So we get our artesian ice, big old ice cube. Let that chill. Take our mixer. I'm gonna do it with some Bulleit rye today. Alright. So we're gonna do some simple syrup. Not too much, but not too little. And we want to do both bitters. We want to do the orange bitters and the regular bitters. 2.5 of those. 2.5 of those. Now we ready to stir. We're gonna put it like a little bit more than half with the ice. Now we ready. 30 seconds more or less, probably 25. I want to just have a kick, you know what I'm saying? Strainer removed. And we're gonna strain it over that artesian ice. Perfect. Now normally I would do an orange peel, but lemon is a good substitute when you don't have an orange peel. I'm gonna try to get that as thick as possible, so you get all of the nutrients out of there. You want this as thick as you can get it. That's why I messed it up a few times. So this will be the best one. So you can get as much of that oil from the lemon out of there. I do it 3 times because I make these kind of strong. Are we ready?
Thank you, bro.
All the aromas of the bitters and the orange bitters and the lemon and everything.
You the man, brother.
So it's better ice. Get a more crisp taste as opposed to any fountain water or filtered water. That's like probably 3 times filtered for that ice.
That's awesome.